The Beetle's Gel Polish 44 PCS set features a comprehensive collection of 36 vibrant gel polish colors, including shades of nude, white, pink, red, and blue. It also includes a base coat, glossy top coat, matte top coat, and glitter top coat, offering versatility for a variety of nail designs. This colorful Muse collection is perfect for creating stunning manicures, making it an ideal gift for women who love to express their creativity through nail art. This professional manicure set includes 26 pieces of high-quality stainless steel nail care tools, providing everything you need for complete grooming. The set comes in a luxurious travel case, perfect for keeping your tools organized and easy to carry wherever you go. Ideal for personal use or as a thoughtful gift, this kit ensures precise nail care and maintenance for both hands and feet. The Finishing Touch Flawless Salon Nails Kit is an electronic nail file set designed for a salon-quality manicure and pedicure experience at home. It includes multiple attachments to shape, smooth, and polish nails with precision. This all-in-one kit is perfect for achieving flawless nails effortlessly, making it a great tool for both beginners and nail care enthusiasts. The Gel Nail Polish Remover is a professional-grade solution designed for quick and easy removal of gel polish. This 15 ml remover works in just 2 to 3 minutes, eliminating the need for soaking or wrapping nails in foil. It's a convenient tool for maintaining nail health while efficiently removing polish, ideal for both salon and at-home use. The GAOY Jelly Nude Pink Gel Nail Polish Set features 6 beautiful transparent colors in sheer, nude shades. This gel polish kit provides a natural, glossy finish that complements any look. It's perfect for creating subtle, elegant nail designs with a touch of sophistication. Ideal for everyday wear or special occasions, the set offers long-lasting color that resists chipping and fading.